So just a quick tutorial on how to use filters. So a filter is going to take everything away temporarily except for the data that we want. So I am just going to, I want to see all of my freshmen, for instance. So I'm just going to click in a cell, and then I'm going to go to data, create a filter, and then it's going to highlight everything. And at the top, I get these little drop down arrows. So I'm just going to come to the column I want to filter. And I'm going to hit the down arrow, and I get this menu. There are lots of things you can do, but I'm going to come down here where it has everything checked. I'm just going to hit clear. And if I just want my ninth graders, I'm just going to click that. And when I hit OK, you'll see now all I have in this column are my ninth graders. It doesn't mean that everything else has been deleted. It's there. It's just temporarily sort of hidden from me. So if I click on that filter again, if I want 10th graders now, I can unclick the 9 and go to 10, and you'll see that the data will change. So you can do lots of different things with that, but that's an easy way to create a filter in Google Sheets.